Namaste. Welcome to Mudra Therapy Yoga. Mudras are for everyone. They correct imbalances and heal many health problems. The natural science of Mudra therapy believe that the 5 fingers represents to the 5 basic elements, that is fire, air, ether, earth, water. Thumb finger represents Agni, index Vayu, middle Akash, ring Prithvi, and little finger represents Varun. Mudras are finger postures. By pressing, flexing and stretching in a particular manner. Let's begin with Jnana Mudra, knowledge seal. Close your eyes, focus on your breath, sit straight single line. Press the tips of your thumb and your index finger. Keep your middle finger, ring finger and little finger upright. This Jnana Mudra or knowledge seal transcends ego, calms the mind, promotes wisdom, stimulates brain and pituitary gland, improves memory and sleep, relieves mental pressure, migraine, controls high BP, changes negative to positive emotions, helps overcome addictions. Now, Vayu Mudra, wind seal. Fold the tip of your index finger on the base of your thumb. Press your thumb over it. Keep your other fingers upright. This Vayu Mudra or wind seal strengthens bones, muscles, joints, relieves pains, balances air within, clears nasal plaques, removes flatulence, relieves arthritis, gout, cervical spondylosis and sciatica problems. Now, Sunya Mudra, zero seal. Bend your middle finger and press your thumb firmly over it. Keep your index finger, ring finger and little finger upright. Benefits of this Sunya Mudra is relieves ear infections, ear pain, tinnitus and deafness, relieves vertigo, thyroid problems and also relieves and prevents nausea during travel. Mudras are easy to perform anytime. They can be used for healing certain health problems. Regular practice of mudras will contribute to your overall good health and can be used as a preventive measure. Now, Prithvi Mudra, earth seal. Press the tips of your ring finger and your thumb finger together. Keep your index finger, middle finger and little finger upright. This Prithvi Mudra or earth seal benefits is relieves fatigue, builds tolerance, stamina and balance, relieves emotional instability, anxiety and depression, reduces weight in overweight persons and also increases weight in underweight persons. Before performing a mudra, you must clearly know about the purpose and precautionary measures to know its suitability for your health condition. Keep your environment calm to avoid disturbing thoughts in the mind. The fingers must touch each other gently, without added pressure to prevent disturbances in the body. Now, Varuna Mudra, water seal. Press the tips of your little finger and your thumb finger together. Keep your index finger, middle and ring fingers upright. Benefits of regular practice Varuna Mudra or water seal is relieves kidney and prostate problems, incontinence, bedwetting, improves fluid balance, moisturizing dry skin, helps psoriasis and other skin diseases, relieves burning eyes, dryness of mouth, improves taste sensation. Now Surya Mudra, Sun Seal. Bend your ring finger and press your thumb finger over it. Keep your index finger, middle and little fingers upright. Benefits of regular practice Surya Mudra or Sun Seal is raises inner heat, removes lethargy, increases balance, relieves stress, common cold, reduces cholesterol, relieves diabetes and high BP, improves digestion and overall strength and stability. Now, Apana Mudra, Descending Energy Seal. Press the tips of your middle finger, ring finger and your thumb finger together. Keep your index finger and little finger upright. Benefits of regular practice this Apana Mudra or Descending Energy Seal is detoxifies the body and revitalizes all the systems, relieves toothache, high BP, diabetes and hemorrhoids, relieves indigestion, constipation, kidney and gallbladder stones, and also relieves prostate, menstrual and menopausal problems. Now Prana Mudra, Vital Energy Seal. Press the tips of your little finger, ring finger and your thumb finger together. Keep your index finger and middle finger upright. This Prana Mudra or Vital Energy Seal benefits of regular practice is improves circulation, reduces fatigue and refreshes, boosts vitality, strength, improves stamina and immunity, relieves eye problems, improves vision, helps to recover fast from long-term illness. Mudras stimulate electromagnetic energies, activate dormant nerves, correct imbalances and heals many health problems. They awaken cosmic energies, purify mind, body and soul. Relax your hands, palms and fingers. Now Apana Vayu Mudra, Descending Wind Seal. This is a combination of Apana and Vayu Mudra. Place your index finger as in Vayu Mudra and your middle, ring and thumb finger as in Apana Mudra. Benefits of regular practice this Apana Vayu Mudra or Descending Wind Seal is corrects imbalances in the 5 elements, that is fire, air, ether, earth and water, relieves cardiac problems and prevents heart attack, relieves flatulence, acidity, gastrics, migraine and joint pains, removes impurities in blood, improves circulation. When we closely observe our body, we find that it is none other than combination of Panchabhutas or 5 elements, that is earth forms bones, flesh, skin, tissues and hair. Water forms saliva, urine, semen, blood and sweat. Fire forms hunger, thirst and sleep. Air forms respiratory system and all movements. Space forms attraction and repulsion and fear. Mudras can be practiced anywhere and at any time, best in the sitting position. Thank you.